Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to reopen the recently closed tabs in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox, and here you can see like I have opened so many tabs with so many different websites. Okay, and suppose if you are working something and suddenly by mistake if you close any one of the tab. Okay, so now by mistakenly let's try to imagine that I have closed this particular tab. Okay, so like I have closed this VMware particular tab. Okay, so let's try to close it. Okay, and now suppose if you want to reopen it in a easiest way or in a shortcut way, means what you can do is like you can just press Control Shift T on your keyboard. Once you press Control Shift T on your keyboard, you can reopen the recently closed tab in the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this is the easiest way what you can do in order to reopen the recently closed tabs in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.